All right, this problem is it's not really tricky, but you can left a piece out that's really important that makes you miss the whole problem completely. Let me show you what they ask for. Let's see. Here it is. X squared plus 4 is equal to 29. What is x squared minus 4? So what is x squared minus 4? So x squared plus 4 is equal to 29. So that means x squared is equal to 29 minus 4. X squared is equal to 29 minus 4, 21. 29 minus 4, 25. What kind of math am I doing? 29 minus 4 is 25. X is equal to plus or minus 5. In this case, we just want to use x equals to 5. Okay. So x squared minus 4, 5 squared minus 4 is equal to 21. Or you could got negative 5 squared minus 4, which is also equal to 21. So the answer choice in this case is not A, it's C. Just making sure you know that. If you enjoyed this video, please share it on your page. You'll help a lot of kids taking the ACT and the SAT exams. Thank you very much. Bye.